American Language Course, Book 7, Lesson 2A. Hello. Open your Language Laboratory Activities booklet to Lesson 2A. Look at Figure 1. Look at the picture. Listen and repeat the words and sentences.
A. Top. Top. This is the top. This is the top. B. Center. Center. This is the center. This is the center. C. Bottom. Bottom. This is the bottom. This is the bottom. The bottom is opposite the top. The bottom is opposite the top.
Look at Figure 1 again. Listen to a sentence and select the correct letter. Write the letter in the blank.
Number 1. This is the top. Write the letter A next to number 1. Number 2. The bottom is opposite the top. Number 3. This is the center.
Now look at Figure 1 again and check your answers.
Number 1 is A. Repeat. This is the top. Number 2 is C. Repeat. The bottom is opposite the top. Number 3 is B. Repeat. This is the center.
Look at Figure 2. Listen to the sentences and circle the strong word. Look at the example and listen. This is the top. This is the top. Top is the strong word. Circle top. Now, listen to the sentence and circle the strong word.
Number 1. She didn't have any money. She didn't have any money. Number 2. Put it in the center of the circle. Put it in the center of the circle. Number 3. I like mathematics. I like mathematics. Number 4. Does a triangle have 3 sides? Does a triangle have 3 sides? Number 5. I don't like to drive fast. I don't like to drive fast. Number 6. I can't describe it. I can't describe it. Number 7. First Street is very narrow. First Street is very narrow. Number 8. Third Street is very wide. Third Street is very wide. Number 9. I can draw a square now. I can draw a square now.
Let's check your answers.
Number 1 is any. Repeat. She doesn't have any money. Number 2 is center. Repeat. Put it in the center of the circle. Number 3 is mathematics. Repeat. I like mathematics. Number 4 is 3. Repeat. Does a triangle have 3 sides? Number 5 is like. Repeat. I don't like to drive fast. Number 6 is describe. Repeat. I can't describe it. Number 7 is narrow. Repeat. First Street is very narrow. Number 8 is wide. Repeat. Third Street is very wide. Number 9 is square. Repeat. I can draw a square now.
Now look at Figure 3. You will hear a question and a dialogue. Listen to the dialogue. Don't repeat, just listen. Then answer the question. The question is, where do Mary and Barbara want to go? Now listen to the dialogue.
Hi, Barbara. Let's go to the BX. I have to buy a blouse.
Okay, I need some socks.
What time do you want to go?
Let's go now.
Good. We'll take the bus.
All right, let's go.
Now write the answer to the question in Figure 3. Where do Mary and Barbara want to go? Let's check your answer. The answer is to the BX. Listen to the conversation again. Hi, Barbara. Let's go to the BX. I have to buy a blouse.
Okay, I need some socks.
What time do you want to go?
Let's go now.
Good. We'll take the bus.
All right, let's go.
Now look at Figure 4. Listen and repeat the sentences.
Number 1. Dorothy is pretty. Dorothy's sister is prettier than she is. Number 2. Greg is tall. Greg's brother isn't taller than he is. Number 3. Hank drives fast. Harv drives faster than Hank does. Number 4. The Winters house is big. The Walters house isn't bigger than the Winters house. Number 5. Jack's car is new. John's car is newer than Jack's. Number 6. Kay's hair is long. Letty's hair is longer than Kay's hair.
Now answer these questions.
Who is prettier, Dorothy or her sister? Repeat. Dorothy's sister is prettier than she is. Who is taller, Greg or his brother? Repeat. Greg is taller than his brother. Who drives faster, Hank or Harv? Repeat. Harv drives faster than Hank does. Is the Walters house bigger than the Winters house? Repeat. No, the Walters house isn't bigger than the Winters house. Whose car is newer, Jack's or John's? Repeat. John's car is newer than Jack's. Whose hair is longer, Kay's or Letty's? Repeat. Letty's hair is longer than Kay's.
Now look at Figure 5. Look at the pictures. Listen and repeat the words and sentences.
Picture A. Circle. Circle. A circle is round. A circle is round. Picture B. Circumference. Circumference. How do you spell circumference? How do you spell circumference? Picture C. Diameter. Diameter. Every circle has a diameter. Every circle has a diameter. Picture D. Radius. Radius. The radius is in the circle. The radius is in the circle.
Look at Figure 5 again. Look at the pictures and listen to the sentences. Write the number of the sentence under the correct picture.
Number 1. Circumference is a long word. Number 2. The radius is a short line. Number 3. A circle is round. Number 4. The diameter is a long line.
Now listen and check your answers.
Picture A is 3. Repeat. A circle is round. Picture B is 1. Repeat. Circumference is a long word. Picture C is 4. Repeat. The diameter is a long line. Picture D is 2. Repeat. The radius is a short line.
Look at Figure 6. Listen to the dialogues. Don't repeat, just listen.
Number 1. Do you want cream and sugar?
Yes, I'd like both, please.
Number 2.
This is my car.
Then whose car is the other?
It's my brother's.
Number 3.
Do you like chocolate or vanilla ice cream?
I like both.
I do too.
Number 4. That's my sister's book.
Oh, then the other is my book.
Number 5.
I study mathematics and language in school.
I study both too. Number 6.
Do you know whose pens these are?
One is my pen, but I don't know about the other. Listen again. This time, Repeat the dialogues. Number 1. Do you want cream and sugar?
Yes, I'd like both, please.
Number 2.
This is my car.
Then whose car is the other?
It's my brother's.
Number 3.
Do you like chocolate or vanilla ice cream?
I like both.
I do too.
Number 4. That's my sister's book.
Oh, then the other is my book.
Number 5.
I study mathematics and language in school.
I study both too. Number 6.
Do you know whose pens these are?
One is my pen, but I don't know about the other.
Now answer questions about the dialogues.
Number 1. Does Arthur want cream and sugar? Repeat. Yes, he'd like both. Number 2. Whose is the other car? Repeat. It's Basil's brother's. Number 3. Does Kathy like chocolate or vanilla ice cream? Repeat. She likes both. Number 4. Which book is Doug's? Repeat. The other is his. Number 5. Ephraim studies both mathematics and language. What does Edith study? Repeat. She studies both too. Number 6. Does Fran know whose pens these are? Repeat. One is her pen, but she doesn't know about the other.
Listen to these sentences. Don't repeat.
Number 1. I can draw a circle. Number 2. Can you describe a triangle? Number 3. Please describe a square for me. Number 4. Where is the center of the circle? Number 5. I think I made a mistake.
Now look at Figure 7. Listen again and write the sentences. You will hear each sentence twice.
Number 1. I can draw a circle. I can draw a circle. Number 2. Can you describe a triangle? Can you describe a triangle? Number 3. Please describe a square for me. Please describe a square for me. Number 4. Where is the center of the circle? Where is the center of the circle? Number 5. I think I made a mistake. I think I made a mistake.
Now look on page 30 and check your sentences. This is the end of Lesson 2A, Book 7.